Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one GMC Acadia. This car have a problem. Sometimes off car or sometimes there is no power. Like we keep accelerator, there is no power. So when I check with my computer, I got fault fuel rail pressure sensor. So today I will show you where is the fuel rail pressure sensor in this car. Okay. Fault code P0191 fuel rail pressure sensor performance. Okay, this is the fault. When I check with my diagnostics, see, we remove already. You need to remove first manifold and then inside, see, this is the fuel rail pressure sensor, this one. We already buy one used sensor, replace. Okay. इसके नीचे ये बोल्ट तो नहीं है।